how to use AI to explore the universe, like NASA. Ever wondered how NASA explores the farthest corners of the universe? Spoiler alert, it's not just rockets and astronauts, it's artificial intelligence. In today's video, we're diving into how AI is helping scientists decode the cosmos, navigate deep space, and even plan missions to Mars. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI to explore the universe, just like NASA does. AI, or artificial intelligence, is more than just chatbots and self-driving cars. In space exploration, AI helps process massive amounts of data from telescopes, satellites, and rovers. Think of it as the brain behind the mission, analyzing, predicting, and even making decisions in real time. NASA uses AI in a variety of ways. Take the Mars rovers, for example. These robotic explorers use AI to navigate terrain, avoid obstacles, and even select which rocks to study. AI also helps NASA process data from telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, scanning millions of galaxies in seconds to identify potential exoplanets. AI is also used to navigate deep space. Traditional GPS doesn't work beyond Earth's orbit, so AI algorithms help spacecraft determine their position using star patterns and onboard sensors. It's like giving your spaceship a brain and a map of the stars. AI is revolutionizing how we discover new celestial bodies. From identifying black holes to simulating the birth of galaxies, AI helps scientists test theories and make predictions faster than ever. It's like having Einstein, Hawking, and a supercomputer rolled into one. Now here's the exciting part. You don't need to work at NASA to use AI for space exploration. With open-source tools like TensorFlow, Python, and NASA's own datasets, you can start building your own AI models today. You can analyze telescope data, simulate orbits, or even create your own space mission planner. Artificial intelligence is the new frontier in space exploration, and it's more accessible than ever. So whether you're a student, a tech geek, or just someone who dreams of the stars, now's the time to start exploring the universe with AI as your co-pilot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-blowing science and tech videos every week. Until next time, keep looking up.